Alright, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Davi Dan HD. This new movie is called The Price of Power. But here we go on, just a quick disclaimer. The decisions and themes expressed by the characters in this movie are not necessarily those expressed by the cast and the members of Davi Dan HD. Just a quick disclaimer. But yeah, new movie, something totally different, something not necessarily out of the avenue, but just something we normally do. Just for showcasing so we can do it too. So watch out, get your family, get your popcorn, and get somebody to might be jumping in them arms if you get scared. But yeah, like, subscribe, comments, something totally different. Let me know if you like the movie them like this. Let me know say if you know I'll go back to the usual. Just let me know how I go on. Alright. I'll put in whole heap of work in that one. So just please, just if you really enjoy, just subscribe, because I realize that less than 10% of viewers actually subscribe. So just imagine say if 90% more you guys subscribe, how much would I do? But enough chattings, jump into action. Alright, so what I was saying is I would transfer you to my manager. No, do not redeem the card. Boy, nothing even going like game, dog. All them boy they out the road by up on all heap of crown and something, dog. But them boy they no more persistent, dog.
Davi Dan,
Yeah,
you do it yourself. Well, I catch something from morning.
Killer from morning, me a hunt, dog.
Boy, I see him somebody over me at a hunt to dog, but nothing add up, bro.
Persistence is still, dog.
True, you look fresh out though, dog, like you're the funny dog and nothing I'm going for you.
Dog, you know, so for me baby mother, I'll carry me a quote a day, dog. I chat about how me nah mind picnic, dog, but between me and you, nothing no go so, bro. Right now, me I do everything for you picnic. I just that the girl want me and can't get my black, bro.
Bro, if your man make so much money, bro, me not think court was supposed to see your
Dog,
face, bro.
that, but yeah, someone's me a quote and dog, you see to work out with you in a too professional neither, dog. I mean, even want to chat certain things, because he's a woman with corrupt like that. Because, dog, I don't really nothing boy picnic, you know. I want my back, dog. So right now, I'll have to pay 15 grand a week, bro.
So here I know, bro, because I realize you have a little sauce from out here, you know, and far me I come from still, you know, bro. And a long time we do this, you know, but things are work out better off here, bro. And not really watch me or watch you, know, I'm no bad man or envy, you know, bro, but me need you to give me that little formula there, bro.
You want the truth, dog? God Almighty truth.
Alright, give me Jesus Almighty.
What time I got your bed at night time?
Bro, I'm going to bed like 9, 10 o'clock.
Yeah,
Latest.
Yeah, idiot for that. 9, 10 o'clock are prime hours for dial. Me not tap dial until 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. Why England the 5 hour ahead of we, dog? For me school we at 1 o'clock in the morning. Bro, me not sleep on the game, dog.
So how that you do so I make it always achieve and make things out of the game.
A persistence in my dog and nothing more, nothing less. Me I wake up 6 o'clock and I dial straight go to 3 o'clock in the morning, dog. Sooner or later I bound for happen. If I know nothing by sheer luck or by sheer numbers, dog, I just a persistence, yeah, that. But
oh, so you try to tell me something for press 24 hours.
24/7, 25/8 every day of life from the morning till I wait, dog. I tell her.
So it you do?
Dog, I hit me the boat. Right now, between me and your dad, I even show nobody. I see up them boy out the road wearing them not too link. Right now, I'm seeing them buy up be a crown. I know what coming and crown them to not true.
What you mean, man?
Be a rifle. Them boy they can't reach than me, you know, dog. I watch them on them, but them boy no matter than me in a game. You want to look a piece of intel still what boy they do.
What them do?
Them go load up, man.
Load up.
Load up, dog. Get some big chain or something.
So where them get it from, bro? What kind of chain that you chat about?
So I can't dog stop act like you're a fool in the world, dog. Some chain, dog. Some real chain. Spiritual chain when they get from around the mama.
Spiritual chain, bro? No, bro. No, they part them thing, bro. You know, God, me say, no, bro. God on time, you know, bro.
I don't wrong you for that, you know. I don't wrong you for that, dog. God, I realist way, dog. But sometime in our life, what God not do, sitting else can do, dog.
No, bro, all you have to do, bro, just walk and believe, bro. A man like you supposed if you tell me that, you know, if you do it, you know, and done for me,
Bro,
if you
me
do
I
it.
work every day of my life, dog. Up to now, me not see a crown. The only crown me get, our crown when me name a Burger King. Crown when they put on my head and me feel like a fool when I put on that, dog. In a real life.
God on time, man, walk and believe me, dog.
And I like, yeah, tell
You did it
dog.
for all of you know.
He did it for all the way, but dog, I know say you know did it, you know. But more want he did it now, me dog. And now me a pray say he did it. So yo, wait up on. Cause me a pray if you get one of them, you know.
Oh, bro.
Killer.
Tell the truth.
Brother, start laughing, no, man. Oh, we get 12.
Bro, me not laugh, bro. Father God, me say.
So you know what, Rich?
Believe in our prayers, bro. Prayers do work.
So hold on. Let me ask you a serious question in life, you know. You feel like say Father God happy say you're calling us hello? You feel like say that Father God want you
Bro,
to?
God help those who help themselves, bro. I mean, I help myself, bro.
Well, now tell us what you're saying is wrong, you know, dog. But me know say me I go for the right. Bro, believe me in a real life. After I do my process, you go swim upon a level where not even clothes and that. And I can promise you that.
Bro, just go and put in some work. You know, need to run on the fast life and the hype life, bro. God would provide. One day, you fought to see you get up, bro. And things just blast off, so, bro.
It will happen, man.
You don't need to rush your success, bro.
It will happen, my dog. But more until I said thing to just work hard on my dog. Cause I say my dep on a little level higher than you as you say not you say. I just work dog or not more.
True, man. Me kinda good with the look of me I have still and the look of me I make still, you know. Yeah, kinda good, bro. Remember say you have pitney for mine, you know. Me not have none, you know, bro, so.
Let me show you something to dog. Sometimes comfort I think will kill you. Let me explain to you. Let me show you dog. You all have a work and you make just enough money to survive, just enough money to eat and just enough money to can buy one buckle a week time. So you're comfortable because you say, alright, enough people now make this, but you all have some opportunity where you can make 10 times as much, but you're afraid to do it because it's a risk. I'm not afraid to do that. Anyway, money there hit me, I go for my bro. I'm not say what you say wrong, but I know say what me say right. Pick up yourself and that chatting is not going to pay me unless a client me chatting.
Oh, man. Right. We link up.
Yeah. Wonderful, good afternoon.
Do you have one?
Yeah.
Alright. Come like that, no, I'm tired.
Where you come from morning? I work you go back?
Then whilst I could have left you that go to Mama's office, I go link up with me and my friend Davi and I put in some work. Yeah,
From morning?
so, I went work start. Not from morning till evening.
No, I told my friend because of the first, because from weekend I fought at the yard, you know. And plus the whole of last week I never fought at the yard none time. So my friend when this man wake up, me see you come out of the yard.
Do you remember say Valentine's I come, I have to buy a rose, I have to buy a chocolate, I have to buy one big
I thought me want to talk to you about still. But me don't want a rose because rose I go dead and me not dead.
Plus me have to put two $500 in one of them gift boxes or something, or $2,000. To $100, to $50. So you know me have to work hard, me have to put in extra work.
Let me say something to you. I love your TV so much. Because me there back it out with you, you know. You see, don't take it the wrong way, yeah? But you're lazy. You're lazy for your man. You're very lazy for your man. And me don't like that. You're very lazy. Look on Davi. Davi they work. He might put in the work. He might make money. Although I'm not too like the type of work. I like the banging, you know. I prefer you go do the 9 to 5 job, you know. But at the banging you say, I love you, I'm supporting at anything where you do. But put in more work like Davi.
Pause. Give me a remote. I see
Remote.
if you did listen to what Davi said to me this morning, like listen off a bass, off a theme idea. Right now, come like a mad Davi I go mad out. Because Davi I tell me, say, boy, out the road by crown and rifle and how much bikes and it, something there. And, you know, feel like, say, he got the way. Go, make him get rich like the dog him out the road by crown and that a mad him. Because I go check him today, you know. And him tell me say I want to go link mama and get chain and get ring and all the money bought and them something. But me I tell him say me not believe in them something.
Because when I go you frighten me. Me think I go agree with it. Everything you know you follow.
I go tell me say yo, if me go to someone by 10 crown a morning. But I God me say still, you know, me not go there soon enough. I God me put my trust, you know. You just have to believe in a God and walk and believe.
Yes, because me I tell you say any day name day. To nobody here say I think about it. Any day name day me hear you think about you got this relationship because don't between me and you. Me not support you that the foolishness there.
No, sir, really.
If somebody cares and nothing now work out in the game, just go look at 9 to 5. Me will back up in at the 9 to 5.
Really and truly, you know, God
Yes.
help those who help themselves, you know.
Yes.
Even though God not agree with the work from here, you know. But I just tell you, 95 now will do nothing for me.
You can't say that.
95 can't let me skate beast man tool. Drive go Cape C, go pick up girl. And come back.
You plan to drive go Cape to go pick up girl and me there.
So who fi tell if me you know let them there long run be? You go like say we are going there forever.
You feel like you come down with that fever. How go you?
No. I will talk about Davi Dan, where are you with bro?
I pray.
Sounds so happy bro, like a bingo.
And a bingo. But you know what time it is that I make a call now. And go down so you see the pan.
No. You only can follow you know bro. Me nah do nothing.
TV, stop act like you're a fool now, bro.
No, bro.
My youth, stop act like you're a fool now, dog.
Bro, me woman tell me not to do them something.
So how woman you listen to?
Yeah,
So woman tell us if you jump off on a bridge and broke and dead, you're dead too.
Me and her, but me a follow with calling you. Follow me, I follow you, bro.
Alright.
Hello, you just run now, so where you go?
Oh, sorry about that, me. I told Davi, I tell me say you find one client and the client a fire over there, so once I can get my chop off my client.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hold on, come back.
Davi, how you bring me go now?
Jogger, you
How
know,
you walk from, bro?
Jogger, you don't know how you go already, man. Stop act like you're a fool now, dog.
How are you, so?
You don't have the money to do it.
No, Davi, I don't want the money. Do what, Davi? You don't do nothing.
TV, you don't want a rich dog.
Feel like more go back.
TV.
How my head feel?
TV, stop act like you're a fool now, bro. You don't want to own one private jet. You don't want to own one cruise ship for yourself. You don't want to own one building no sky taller than the whole earth.
Davi, step by step, me do it.
Say no step, crown, markets, skyscraper, no step by step, dog. You step them from bicycle to bicycle with extra gear.
Davi, may we go walk and believe, brother.
We go walk over yesterday. Yo, bro, I can't lend any money for you, dog.
No, let me to them.
Bro, nobody joke up. Me think you over here a serious place, in a dog. Nobody come and joke up. Me think, you know.
Leave the way, no, bro. I'm kind of afraid, bro.
Damn right, that's afraid. Yo, come on, man, yo.
Wait, no, bro.
Ancestors, I come to you, my ancestors. I feel something come. Okay. Understand?
I see that.
You don't belong here. You don't belong here.
You my chat, dog.
Yo, let's think more and do this.
You're there, bro, you're there already, dog. No, man. Brother, mama, this is no, man. Alright. Mama, good morning.
Nah, coach, I can't turn up out or something.
Bro, you're good, dog. You're good. Mama, good morning.
Good morning.
I seek assistance. Seek some assistance, mama. You know, say, but I do some dialing, man. You know, they're on the level I want to go and really, and you know, they're on the level I want to go and, mama, see the enemies but get rich, and most of them are buy weapons to try harm me, and so I want some assistance, let me get, I want to turn a giant.
Come in front of me. We will have. You don't believe. You don't belong.
Davi. No, man, no, brother.
Spin your roll 3 times. Then set man for you. Man up he upon you. Me see him. Me see him. No worry. You know say you're come. I prepare for you. You already do the chicken blood. Spin your roll. Hebekakaya. Hebekaya. Hebekaya. Can't stand pan you long. Him can't stand pan you, my son. Power you want. Riches you want. Let it come with a price.
Can't pay, man.
Make sure that my price is high.
Any money there, man. How much so far?
This one is hard work. This one going to cost 50,000 just for cut and clear. Turn around. Another 50,000 for remove. Turn around, my son. Drink the rest. On your own, my son. Money and power you want. Money and power you shall have. You prepare for you, my son.
You know what's on come?
I know everything. This. Hear this. Don't make no man or woman put them hand on it. Don't lose it. Don't break it. That is your protection. Once you have this, what I do with the blood will protect you from all doctrine, including bad mind friend.
No, you're not ready. You know, bro.
The chain will give you all the powers you want. But remember, don't pay me now. You pay me when you get it.
Half of my bingo.
But remember, if you not pay, consequences in this. Every action have a reaction.
You're a pay, man. You're a true believer.
Make sure.
Alright.
Go with my blessing.
Alright, man.
Remember what me say.
Yeah, man.
And you will be back.
Be good, be good. Yeah, I'm going to over there, dog. Oh. What are you going to do with that? I think I'm going to do it. We are, bro. We are plan for where? What you there, plan?
Me foot me the pan.
You're not feel over there powerful, dog. Your man say, you know, say you don't believe. You know one. You see, it is not even a money thing, dog. You see,
Bro, cool bump, bro. You You look at time over there, so I feel nervous and it happen. No. Come on, bro.
My youth, you kind of come home, dog, and I see thing just look. Your man, you not calling a client. The client member, you remember if you say hello? Go for the work right now,
No,
dog.
bro. Go with that. Put it on. Take off it, bro.
Instead of make nobody touch you still, so man, I want to show up. So I say, you're not doing work today.
No, me I got it on sleep. You see when time I not have on that, bro, you call me, bro. And when time I have on you not call me.
One time I have on, you see me in a jail, you dog, believe me.
Yeah, man, me happy for you, bro. But,
Yes, sir, big up yourself.
yo, we good, man.
Yeah, too.
Yo. Me good, bro. Me good.
So, never what's my dog.
Yo. What's up? How you doing? Baby.
What you mean on the door? Timmy, oh, you fat man or what? Your man in a war? Your man in a war? What happened?
Baby.
Come down and talk to me now, you make me afraid. They come and beat on the door. Your man in a war?
Look here, sir. Me look this, sir.
What me I look for? Your man in a war?
Yeah, man,
And
tell
you
us,
in a
sir.
war?
No.
You in a war? You a war?
There ain't nobody now, why?
So, what happened? Talk to me, what happened? You,
Davi.
what do Davi? Oh, you do your bingo? A bingo, you excited? Why they look up out the window? Nothing is not out
Yeah,
there.
me I tell her, say. I lie, me did that tell her, say, me tell her, say, me I call client. Me and Davi. Me follow Davi go out with a woman. And the woman give Davi one chain. Me even know if Davi a human being or if he living or if he...
Pull up.
Pull
Which woman you talk about again?
One man, that woman.
Baby, after me look pie and tell you say no go. Me go pack up my bag, then I got me yard.
Bro, look here. You say the woman face white and the woman have some red something on her face.
Where you go up there for? Where you follow and go up there for?
The woman even look like she real, cause she take up some bush fling off her Davi some leaf and me don't know.
You do it?
In game something fit for drink. Say I take it.
So
See
you drink it too?
no, see man, I chicken black this, drink this. So
Hey, Jesus. Timmy, what you done? Timmy, what you done?
be in this tell David to spin the road 3 times, but me I spin man 6 times.
Sit down and talk weird somehow. Where you go up there for? So something follow you come down here.
In the name of Jesus Christ,
People go up there go do nothing, you know. Cause if you go up there and you do something to be, I mean fine, no, see you drink none of the chicken blood, you know. Me you go have things, and listen to me now. Me know say me a woman and you Davi a for a long time come at time it me think a time for you cut off in company.
B, spin a road 3 times.
No, me no foolishness.
No, but the
Me
woman.
like an idiot. Me not there. Yeah, Timmy, tell me, watch ya. Where you spend your road for your idiot?
But I let the woman tell David to do.
So you do what Davi do too.
No,
You in a it?
No, me not do it. Me only follow Davi. I'm sorry, say me follow that.
Alright,
B,
listen
right
to me,
now,
say,
me not go back. Me
Listen to
done
me, I say.
scamming.
B, listen to me, I say. You see, as much as our daytime something little naive and lazy and I don't know, me rather you do that more than to go do the hobby or something. Me now go uphold with that video. Me I beg you please.
Feel me?
Just-
I feel like it get big. So
He
like,
now get big, I said it big long time like a pumpkin.
Oh.
What you do? Just let that be company. Look be not too talk up thing. Look be because me no want rub off fan, go rub off fan, and go rub off fan me. Yeah.
funny man.
I mean, no, me love you. No do them the something that TV.
Nah, do it, B.
No do it.
B, you see funny man put on the chain, B. The man chat different, the man move, brother. The man move like a some spirit.
Yes. Stop talking about it now. Me hear that swell.
Yeah, that's well.
Yes. Oh, come baby, hush. Oh God.
I feel different. Feel powerful like me. I'll just say hello right now, client. I'll send the money see him time. I know I'm to TB slow now, but TB will forward eventually.
TV broke till real forward.
Can't tell a man what to do still.
6.
Hi, a wonderful good morning. This is Carlos Tevez calling from the PC Pet. Mama, where are they with? I did send off a thing there today, you know. I send off one 200 account, but 2 minutes see a response on WhatsApp. Maybe on there, so get you and everything.
Oh, yes, me see it. Me see it.
Just, boy, money even know that you're using something there, one man. Scotia name bank there.
Of course, I'm modern day this.
That's true. Like, I just stop me there tell us.
So me just have to make sure so everything good.
Yeah, man, everything alright.
I mean, they put an extra protection, you know.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it, man. I mean, I do well now, so just thank you here.
That is good. That
Alright.
is good. Remember, don't take off the
No,
chain.
man, no time, man. No time.
Right. That one mark off.
Mama! Mama! Charmian! When I take so long to answer one. Charmian! Woman Charmian! Mama! Why? Mama, tonight in the morning, yeah. Here, see all the boy Davi Dan him buy one X4 and a little bike in the right forward. Me can't believe this. God know, Mama Charmian. I know you how long I just through me never have the time to go and check you. Right now we have a bread, we are bread maker, you know, man. Them the boy them money, little bit. You don't know, where you want, Jamaican or US? Man, I answer to Ross. Alright, Mama, what I'm trying to say, Mama?
I don't want your money.
No, Mama, man, and no money this alone, man. Blood money this, Mama. Them are sitting here with you and catch a road to deal with the acting. Jesus Christ.
What do you seek?
Mama, right now, riches me the praying, Mama. This boy them buy X4 out of road and one bag of sitting. And money me want hide one. All the one they call Davi Dan. Oh, the mind you can't do something for me. I want you hide him. I want you make him invincible. We don't want to see him. What do you think about that? Jesus Christ.
Actions have great consequences. Are you sure?
Yes, more thing invisible.
Stand
Carry bread or little bread.
I know you was coming. Stand up. Spin your roll. Higher. 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 It is done.
I'm feel invincible. You take one now, Mama.
Now, you grease my palm for the work I have done. But
Mama, as me say from before, you know, bloody money this fella. So just take time, I want to make sure everything deal with for me. Here, so much doing me have to wait now.
You disbelieve me?
No, I don't disbelieve you. I just ask you how much do I have to wait.
The ancestors will work when the ancestors work, but it will work. Believe, and it
Mama,
will
the last
happen.
money that I'm naming. So
It
just
won't
take time
be for
deal.
long. Won't be lost for long.
All them boy drive X4 GLE 63 more this a year. So just put it on your book and write it down.
That's extra money.
Hmm?
You asked me
Alright,
to
I go
invincible somebody. That is the work I did for you. You want
Alright.
power? That's more money.
Alright then. So when me can come back and check you?
When you have the money.
Alright then. So me run broke now, so by next week now line up the piece of bread there and come link you. I remember say we are bread maker, you know.
Go to your bakery and make your bread.
Alright then, mama. Enough respect. Make sure we see where we work for, you know. Alright.
Young fool. He does not know Davi Dan is under my protection. This money, ha! I will use it against him. Ha!
How are you?
Stress out, man. Stress out, kill me.
Sit down. Come here, I want to talk to you about something.
Oh, I'm stressed right now. I can't sit down now. I tell us right now, look now, I'm from me and catch a client now, and it's a leads now. Come like me, I'm mad out.
What you come here and say, babe? Me feel like you not work hard enough. Because look at me here, said that you drive big GLE. Although you got the hobby people, them, you know. And still have to put in the work side way. Me feel like you're not putting in the work properly, man.
You don't work hard, it's a work, it's smartest. Let me tell her that.
After 10 no one, you know, me not see up on the phone, I don't know.
Why you know what I do you be when me not inside?
But me not hear a mouth at work.
You can't get no client no answer.
Can you... Listen to me.
I call that.
You call that before?
B, me have to go check in. Me have to go check. Me have to go man up and I want to go check in car.
It's about man up.
B, no.
Don't call him.
Davi have car drive, Davi must have money.
If where we are going to borrow money from him, dirty money, have wicked money.
Me can wash it machine in our house.
I feel like you're not so right.
B, just look somebody man can give me a thing idea, bro. Car.
You can't say me never did one, you do.
Davi,
Yo, what go on?
how are you there, bro?
So me have a shop, I sit down there, go I chop.
Yo, you know, say, there's a thing me I look for you yesterday. Can't call link you.
Where you look, sir?
I look a piece of food, bro. Me frosting idea.
I know I'm all afraid that, just pull up, man.
Alright. See it. We they get through.
When you go for that money, they don't want to bring it to the house.
We say notice.
Me and road. You want to
Rent
you
in
want
our
that money.
house, fab in our house, bleach in our house, machine in our house, clothes brush.
You can't say me money anytime, no happen to you, you know. Me not go did anything, you know.
I told you as members, you know, I want
Me and you not spend the
wash
money.
money and son hot out the door, put the money on the line, make it dry. We clean money that.
You're lucky.
Me soon come.
Can't say me no want you.
Top 6.
You know what I do, bro?
How do you know, Chaka? Where's your pay?
I'm saying they are stressed out, bro, up on the line, bro. Frustrated, bro. Not like one for me out. About 40 cigarettes in one for you.
Hold on, my dog. This a client I call back.
Hey, I remember you were telling me last week, but I thought it was a scam. I'm ready to send it now.
Oh, darling. Wow, that's amazing. Do you remember the fee?
No, how much is it?
It's just $700. So you can go down and get a gift card and don't redeem it. Just send it to me, okay?
Okay, right. I'll go to the upstairs do it now.
Okay, thank you so much, darling. Your life is gonna be amazing.
Thank you.
Okay. Where's that going?
Bro, you did choppy line, bro.
Dog, you know what's it? If you tell her the truth, dog, it's a skull I said on me happy for the last 2 weeks, but not never go on. Right now, me I did give up on you, know, dog. And she just come back, you know. You know what?
How that go on for you?
Dog, thing active, man, believe me.
Bro.
Right now, if me tell her something, dog, you believe so, I lie, me I tell you. I believe so between since me got Ray and this week, more than $3 million make already.
$3 million?
You know, real life, dog, no jokes.
I mean, I make $3,000.
Yeah, I don't know if you're hearing about What do you some bag of people see me all now X4 dog. You know what I'm saying? I buy. I just rent it, show up with some boy dog.
Oh.
Boy them out the road. In real life, go watch her. See carry me I buy. I tint up and dark. I just buy X4 for them feel like they know something active and they can run into my camp dog, you know? And even for me personal car dog. Believe me. So where say I going?
Right now, game stress me, dog. Right now, I feel like we just quit. I'm gonna look at a hotel, bro. Cause Princess Hotel want beer, casino, bro.
TV, I can't give up in that game, dog. Not really, like.
Bro, remember, say me live with all money, you know, bro.
Watch
It's
out.
very costly, you know.
Look at this. I just threw a while ago. BS6 dog. Dog, man, I tell you, it's like, I can't lose. Not really,
So, I spirit make you throw that.
You know, but what me can tell us, dog, it's because me a persistent dialer. And me don't know if I spirit dog, but me know that me have a spirit but would never give up dog and willing to reach. So at that dog, to be in a real life dog, me don't feel like say you're on the line. You're on the line for sure.
Bro, I'm up on the line, bro, but nothing I'm going on the line of frustrate me.
Tell me, Tibi, tell me the truth. Between me and you, and your woman this dog. When you tell me you're on the line for sure.
Nah, I'm going around that thing, bro. I'm hardly up on it. Cause true, bro, my woman has stressed me, bro. See all the Valentine's Day come up, bro. I leave a dollar right now, bro. You know, see how you may have to go link for your thing, bro.
No, I'm afraid of dog. We're going to toast the rest too. You link no yet in the car, because you just look on the black and the other thing, some way chance of that, but...
No respect, bro.
No, I'm agree that, dog.
No respect.
No, I'm agree that, but... I'm sure you're second TV. As much as you don't believe in a game, you believe in it, but you don't believe fully, dog. I'm telling you how things go for man like you, dog. You can't never lazy, but you don't have a working spirit. But you need you need a different spirit, dog. You want them, you know what I mean? This you need right now, dog, because you don't have the energy for that all day.
Bro, no one that, bro.
My boy, you look at, you can't do a 9 to 5, you're too lazy for that. You don't even want to call the client and say hello. You need a look extra sitting dog in a real life, that's all the way I say.
I make a whole heap of money since I get that, that's so.
TV. I don't even know if I since me get this or not, but remember say, the woman did that say, so then put dope upon me if you make me can't hold no money, you know, dog, so. Probably all lift up that, make me start make money. Maybe I need me change, so I don't know if you put it to. But I know say because I continue and never stop say hello dog that night.
You have to go make you follow me, dog, go get one of them, dog. I need one.
So your mind change so fast?
No, dog, I need more and some money, bro. You know I'm run off left me Valentine's Day, bro.
Tell me if me carry down there, you know, dog. I don't know, joking thing, you know. You know, you run up and down and
bro, you have to go lend me money, you know, bro, because I'm not active, you know.
Man, remember say, mother, I tell her dog, if boy feel like say, mama charge, you know, and I charge, in charge half you get your blessings. You see, if, for example, you go to him and not go through, you not charge you $1 dog, but you see, because he thinks so legit, if you don't go back to him, dog, you want something still.
I think more go up there, I'm serious, man. Man up and out.
So your woman will say?
Bro, I'm run my show, bro. No woman run my show, bro. I'll go up there, bro. You want, tomorrow, you want for them to go up there now.
I'm serious in that game, you know, dog. No jokes thing, you know.
True, man. Serious, I know, bro.
So I said, tomorrow?
Tomorrow, bro.
Alright, get yourself a food and prepare, dog.
No, you're right, bro.
Alright.
Go back for me.
My bro. 6 again. Never stop 6. From mine, me calling your phone. Yo! David! You're there from mine, me a call.
I'm on your phone?
Hello.
My phone? Hello, Davi.
Hi, Kayla.
Hi, how can I help you?
I'm looking for your boyfriend. Is he here?
There.
Please tell him that I'm calling. I have some urgent business to get to.
Okay, a phone call.
Okay.
Wake up. Wake up, man.
Oh, God.
Wake up, let's have a party with Davi.
Davi.
How are you?
Oh, there's something I do, your boy. Yeah, I have something urgent to go do.
No, some work you want to give me, you know.
What kind of work
I'm
that?
up on the house. You want to give me strength.
Don't take no pay from him.
You know,
And dirty
strength.
money.
I never tell us I work for me and give me strength.
Make sure and be careful upon the road and not go do nothing you're not supposed to do.
Yeah, I'm smoke, I'm kind of tired still. You know, see my water boat. Yeah, you must have water boat in rich. Don't worry about that. Smoke.
And be careful.
Yeah, man. Wow, Davi, my bro.
I move like it does I get up so.
Yeah, bro.
So that's why you know get some client, you know. Go back up in the day and just get up. Lazy boy. Lazy. So you wanna move so hostile. How you tell him about me?
No, man, I tell him, I think the man, I tell him, so I deal with the thing, man. You know, ready?
Come on.
Davi, I really want to do this still, you know, bro. Two Valentine's are coming, you know, bro, and man wants some nice things here, Valentine's, bro, but I shouldn't even do this, you know, bro. I'm afraid, you know, bro.
TV. I tell you the truth as per dog, you see if because a woman make you out of there and sitting here. I mean, I said to do it, but you turn broke and left the girl there. I met the girl left you.
No, bro, I love woman, bro. Come on, you do it. Aye.
My youth, I don't place this in a woman, dog. You have to do this for yourself, dog, and do it for your riches and your own blessing.
True, that's still, you know, but I'm afraid still, you know, that.
So your woman knows that they mess up near the fam.
No, bro. But she have to work for the bro. Now me and mine are, you know, bro. But the funny woman over there, bro. Look there.
Come in then, dog. Not chat him, you can hear that, dog. TV, I'm left off a line for this and that.
You really do.
Come here. Yes, I know. We are back.
Yes, madam.
I told you we would be back. What can I do for you?
Madam, you know, say, a rich man get rich. One get rich if Valentine's Day.
With riches comes responsibility. You can manage that responsibility.
Yeah, man, I can manage it, madam. I can manage it. I can manage.
If I bless you, you have to remember when you have your blessings, you come and bless me back. Pass my palm. Your friend, he did the right. So everything is working for him now. Although a birdie told me you are driving a car, it is not yours.
I'm aware I know that. I'm well aware I know that, man. I trick a crowd.
Can't trick the spirits.
Well, that's how you go for true, yes. Just true, I'm not ready to drop my beats. I'm going to make it enemy stop.
You don't take that off.
Not even one me a beat.
A friend come to me to try and hurt you.
Him? Who that?
It will be revealed. He's a fool, and a fool and his money shall soon depart. You are under my protection. I take his money. He know what will happen to him. It has started. You know. Yeah. You can't do this and fear. You believe or you don't believe.
You believe, man, you believe.
Turn your roll. I know you was coming. Drink the blood. Baka. 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 You make me work hard. It is working. Same as your friends. When your blessings come, you bless me. I don't get my blessings. Bad things will happen. Bad things will happen. Big consequence. So remember, you get your blessing and grease my palm. Oh! Oh! Put this on. You need two. If you need more work, don't let anybody take it off. Don't let anybody wear it. You take it off, you lose it, you are done.
So how you feel now?
Boy, I'm not feeling away, I'm not feeling like a difference, bro. But you more ask you. When you say people are harming, how she know so much about that? And why am I trying to say, bro?
You know, so I don't really understand, but I understand if you don't mean. Dog, you see certain things in this world that dog, it bigger than me, out of my control. But me dog, you might feel like say, when boy you out the road in a dog, I just buy them and buy your crown and things to get rich in a dog. And all of them times just because they want money. TV, you see mentality I have and the personality and the persistence I have. Boy, them bad man like a dog. Right now, that's why I'm there after do this. And you see first time I come over here and you say they set double pan make me can't make no money dog.
You start make money.
Let me show you dog. Sometimes, bro, corruption is a real thing in the earth, you know. Show me and some boy and a friend dog. That's why I'm shake up a place. I buy up to a fire stick too, but I show another time I mean in and out still. So you with that one?
The more they are dog, me they are going, say me and you come go over, go easy back with no money, no, bro.
So you now go press.
You're mad, man, bro. You left pressing till the morning, bro. You know, see time. I want to go check back my woman right now, bro.
Yeah, just make sure so when I time to pay back my money, you have your money here. So I'm not.
Don't worry about that, man.
Alright,
She lucky and money, they worry about her.
Alright.
Come on.
Yeah.
You are gone.
You there, you good? Hold on. You know, if I say you go, bill, oh, so the cement no dey pay you.
Will a bad the deal like this? What kind of bill house they talk about? Tell us, me I help him man with the house, me help him clean up your house and move some things. What me know about house?
You look cleaner than when you did left.
What me know about fair bill house? So
And that tell me say you give my strength. That's how you tell me,
we go
TV.
help him clean the house and
Car bush in your head, Jesus.
Billy, you don't have nothing to feed me, because man, the boy what me and he even give me 5 bills to buy a food, you know.
Oh, God. Alright, hold on. Me ask something.
Go check that woman there, brother. I don't know about me get hungry. I don't understand this money I want to do, man.
Baby, you must say we're not really happy.
Yeah, we have because
Yo,
big
you never left no money, so.
big son, them and them must up there, brother.
Yeah, see one money, but you say if you rainy day now. Sit down, man, and consume.
A sun a shine now, baby.
You don't understand, we don't have it before. So I can't understand this.
I'm here.
Yeah, and I thought if you can't eat it,
Oh. Think your belly full. Yum, please.
you know, I'm not going to buy cheese.
Oh. So where's that one now?
Yeah, I said, they need to start work. I think, I see them a build up one place on there, so I think I can go down there and go on the construction and carry 2 buckets or move 2 something. The construction place.
Huh?
Construction. They a build a building
What kind of
done.
construction? Be earlier morning me I get up and go there. You're bright thing.
You know, provide. I want work that if I haven't $300, if I haven't 3,000 in my yard, that good. I can buy mackerel and rice and left change.
You think construction work can make you buy a piece, go skate pan toll?
But you not do nothing when you go and skate pan till you're not working.
A morning me I get up on there, lower here, me find the sauce, you know. But a matter of fact, me didn't even bother wait till a morning. I know Davi Dan in the office right now there.
Sure?
I can't check him and put him so remember
I
some
said Davi a link with the wrong people them. Can you stand there?
B, relax. Team work make a dream work. Want fix your Valentine's.
So that is P as in Peter, E as in elephant, T as Tyrannosaurus Rex, E again as an elephant, and R. Yes. So with that signature of approval, your package will land in the next few days. Okay? Alright, have a great day. I'm eager to receive.
David,
Oh yeah, reach us that.
what me come for, you know, bro?
What kind of hope? You not tell me say you tell me say tomorrow you're not doing that in your face.
Bro, me change now, bro. Big man thing. More make at least $15 million by a weekend, bro. Me tell us a Valentine's right around the corner, you know, bro.
Yeah, no Valentine's. What make you come and stuff with that?
Me come for it, bro. Me want to look harder, bro. Me too lazy, and since me get the ring now, that me kind of feel like me want to look sauce. So tell me sauce, bro.
TV, it's sauce there in yourself, dog. You ring on your power. You ring just give an extra push. You're lazy. It push off it look better. You are a sauce, dog. You know what I mean? All I have to do is just put it in hook non-stop. Right? That's how they are do it, dog. You know what's made me there as morning break till the time get late. Take out your phone and do it right, dog. Nothing more than that. So I have a new area code that I can show you still, dog. I even want to say it out loud and dump it and go here. So I had area code.
Alright. Yes, sir. B, now come go up on the red camera. Put him so, go to office, go put him so red camera, so.
So early.
I mean, B, time is now. So, I'm come back and try to cook some food in the evening so I can get me. Am I good? Eh? Alright. Seems like you're still in your sleep, you know. So, Tommy. Yo. Bro, what you do, bro? Get up out of the house, bro. The bad time of the day you sleep, bro.
What kind of sleep, brother? I be a dog. How you forward so early?
Bro, what the hell with that day, you know, bro? What time you know, bro? Look on the time you know, wait, bro.
I'm so forward, man.
No, anyway, still, me up on the ends. I go and put in some work till I foul. Dial. Walking line all with me, tired. Dial. No, top walking line all with me, tired. Yes, Father God. Reach out, man. Yo, the woman over there, Mama Laser, Mama Sean, me and her. Yo, I hate to go in USS, you know. If me watch, you know, from Mama, I'm going to link Mama dog. be things that go on, you know, call upon the machine, yeah, bro. Backside, yo, me rich. I'm with Davi Dan. Yo, mwah, mwah, mwah.
Jaga, where you dealt with?
Boy, them there, you know.
Why you follow that officer early?
No, bro, money sweet, you know, bro. Look here, for my wrist, bro. Wrist alone, I can't tell the time, bro.
I tough these a boy, man.
Rich, bro, rich.
But dog, I'm glad to see you think active and now, dog. But between me and still, dog, you know, so well, turn up where you really for show up certain way, dog. So the only problem is, well, me have a road, me even know about you. Well, turn really sitting where you show up, dog, still, personally. You know what I'm saying? Right now, me I have all 2 pieces of land, and me I build 2 house pan, dog. Right now, enough people are seeing me, I don't even know, dog.
Bro, me can under them a powers, bro. I'm afraid of people, bro. You don't need, look, bro. You don't run on it, bro. What you have run on it, bro? You don't fear no evil, bro.
No.
All time I did me bone, I tell the time, bro. Now I'm a watch, bro.
I don't say fear no evil, no, dog. Because we ourselves evil. People have to fear with what we can do to them, but sometimes, well, I mean, I know, everybody pretty different still. But me, that, dog. I really like show up when me have.
True, true.
So yeah, dude, like few man must go down now, dog, like how you have to be a jewelry and them stuff up on her.
Yeah, you know, say I know she not find out, bro, I go on. I know.
So I just feel like say you just randomly get lucky.
And if I feel, she feel, you know. I know she know, you know. But she have to work with one.
Oh, look me at this already.
Anyway, still, bro, cut long story short, you know, come here for raise still, I work in time. The million just sweet, me, bro, when I make what here.
Alright.
Put in your ear code, right?
Today we are jump on 859. Oh, before we even start, you did link back, mama.
What you mean, man? Mama nice, man. Mama sweet like a cupcake. Soon catch diabetes.
Say any link money I got pay him.
Bro, I don't need to link you, bro.
That's true still. True, me know you kind of scared. At least me I jump on for the day still. Alright, normal procedure.
Come.
What?
Can we have the way you sit open why you knock?
Me don't know who in here me have to knock.
What happened?
Nothing really happen, girl. Sit down and let me talk to you. You want so? Oh yeah, the clean?
Yes.
Oh, me can't sunrise for you. Cause me know say time hard and so. But you have to remember say time hard for my end too. So me could carry
Thank
one
you.
bag come here, very expensive.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, so me can't
Thank you, girl. Yes, me understand, but
Yeah.
girl,
So no.
me there, things are really hard like one time, you know. The man give me 15,000 for to make market since week. I make markets, my big market back up there, so girl.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? If I work? No man, it's that dial the line more often now.
Start the what?
Bang the line.
You must know enough. So you don't want the rice, cause expensive.
No, me said thank you, I will pay the rice.
Oh,
I said that.
oh, me like how you get
Yes.
money for gas from my
And
I hope next time I can get a 30 grand, cause 15,000 I can't really buy nothing.
no, remember, some man don't really have it, and you know, saying don't have it. Stop it.
Understand.
15,000 is a whole more than like a 200 me used to get.
Oh,
So now me start me have
understandable.
chicken, and he say have a surprise to me
When I get it?
sometime this week,
Oh.
probably the
Me
weekend.
just come look for you, cause me know the time hard pound you.
Thank you.
As me I said, cause a long time you want somebody to chat about this, you know. But I never know, say, Suzette daughter.
I lie.
You never know.
No. But if you tell me that people me not go around don't know people business like a you.
And then when me go and know,
How are you?
in my room, on the media, girl, you don't have a phone anymore.
Yeah, but me not too.
It's the funny media.
Oh. Well, I don't know. Me not too fancy people business anymore. Me feel my own business. Me and my man that struggle so me never had time for you watch people business.
Girl, at the time they feel watch your business because people are watching yours. You're on the street.
Oh. Girl, I have to tell you about one black boy there. Come here, I'm gonna no, the other one, this is something in there.
Oh, bro.
What one?
Feel like I hit this semi feed here, bro. Make as much money since the week started, bro.
So you done work shit today?
I mean, bro, me can't take a rest now. I want a day off, bro. Remember my rich channel, you know, bro.
I didn't know say anything no last one dog. Right now I got I know say I buck up my car come wait me this morning.
Bro, right now I want to go over my yard, bro. A long time. I left my house, bro. I'm going to check for my woman, bro. I want to make sure I give her something nice today, bro.
So you not pull up that not true?
No, bro. The time I buy one car for her, you know. I want to ask you, you know, make sure. But a surprise, I want to surprise her, bro.
Alright,
A good woman, you know.
you think then my dog, my day I said do man I go on now.
Big up yourself.
No stop keep on the states like.
Yo, you not tell me say watch bad and love.
Bad man.
Yo.
Bad man.
Look for the
Lord.
time.
Time is now.
Alright.
Hello.
Serious girl, it was nice speaking to you. Me come over cook some food.
Yes. Come. B, what's your oh God. Let me see you.
Later.
Later, girl. Bye.
Bye.
I'll go on for me.
So me buy something nice for you, baby. It's very expensive. I want to cherish this with your life. I want to see it last you forever, bro. B, yeah, if you know how much money me pay for this, you couldn't believe. Me pay $950 feet. Very expensive. 9 money, B. Look on it. Tell me if you like it.
Me like the gift, B. Me like it. Me have click and put them in. Me love it.
Remember, say we rich and now, B.
What I really want to talk to you about?
Rich and now.
I appreciate the gift for you give me. And I appreciate everything. So how will you get all of this money from?
You not to stress yourself and worry about them something, bro. No worry. We don't worry if I just know some rich and now, bro. Remember, say I hard work and the dedication when we take. Fit put in, sweat me boss.
Yeah.
A whole heap of sweat me boss.
Yes.
And tears. Regular me sit down and bad with this. And whole heap of hunger me go through. But me pray to my Father God. And see it come true, you know.
And
Rich.
since you start par with Davi, you should send the money out.
You be, no do me that. A $15 million me make one day, you know. Me plan to buy one car, you know. Never did one tell you know. Me plan to buy $15 million in my account right now.
50 million, TV make it 50 million.
Me chop a line. This ain't even nothing to buy. Cause at $950 me pay for that.
This year?
Oh.
Where you get them from?
No, it's at the same time I buy a watch. I buy them and I see them and I like them.
Oh, so how this look shining and glisten and this look like a something I don't even know what to say look like, but it don't look so 100. I also want to buy top with the black something on it.
Hey.
What that?
Don't worry about that. How do you buy, man? You know, me not really get this brand new, but get it second hand because I can't go afford it brand new in time then. But then, before I get rich, I couldn't afford it.
I rich enough since I start wearing that type of chili.
Be just like someone remember who's so rich and bro, we have to make it thing look mean shit and lifestyle.
Thank you for the
And
gifts.
the next thing to go and bring up our date tonight.
I come up and date tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice.
And make us go eat your favorite seafood boil.
Oh, you know long me a crave seafood boil?
Yeah, I'm making you know, but anything I want.
Alright, but hold on, I'm so coming. I'm going to use the bathroom.
Alright.
Don't make a sound. Tibby, you took my blessings and you haven't paid me. Big consequences. Rings, I want them.
So, how me don't feel without the ring?
That's your problem. I warned you. Tibby, you have until midnight tonight to give me my blessings or big consequences. You will lose the love of your life.
So, me can't do something else.
By midnight.
Alright, we make $15 million. I mean, you will like come here now.
No. That's past money. You have to make fresh blessings from now. Midnight, Tibby. Midnight.
Baby, what happened to you, baby? What happened to you? How are you? You lick your head?
Not me. I'm good.
What happened to you?
I'm good.
Yeah, man, so. What do you? Tippy, the door, you want me to pull the door?
No, me good. Just
So yeah, scream like a girl.
come like a nightmare me up.
You want breeze? Draw the curtain so you can get the breeze.
Me good, man. Me good, B. Me good.
So why Tippy talk to me, man, Tippy? You can't good and you scream out in here.
I will sleep, me did not sleep while I go be and come like.
You look at every guy in the bathroom, right?
Jump and sleep and me
Yeah, in the bathroom and hear mouth out here.
me get a dream. So
And you just squeeze.
Get a dream so me get gunshot. So.
Yeah, tell me lie.
No, B, me not tell no lie. Sure.
Tippy, you a lie. You just a lie. Me in the bathroom. Jesus Christ.
Why you here when in the bathroom?
Me hear you talk to yourself.
You know, you want woman voice, you know?
Yeah, that woman in our house.
No.
That woman can't come over here.
Right, I'm going to tell you the truth.
No, sir. Tippy can't come. No, Tippy.
No, I tell you, you see, the money when me get from me $15 million, I don't notice I'll ring them, me so.
You take him off.
No, be a science woman, me go be. Me go science woman and the woman appear for me while ago, yeah, so. I'm going to take off ring them and gone. And tell me, say, I give me by midnight. If she go unalive, if me not give her.
Hello, who?
You.
You see how me down one, you Tippy. Me don't know what we do. You better go fix it. Cause me want to say me name one in your pass.
The woman go unalive if midnight.
Money back. Dirty money that. And all of the grocery them, bring them back at the supermarket with the receipt and tell what the money go give the woman. Cause look how me want you, TV. Look how me want you.
Me a friend going Davi.
Hey, Jesus. Look how you go put this at me.
I'm going to try to get the money from you.
Me not this video, man.
You want the money as in go unalive you be.
Can I not live you? Father God, what we do to deserve this, God? Oh, God.
Me soon come, babe.
No punch me, man. Oh, God. I'm afraid for God. Father God.
Yo, Davi.
Yo.
Yeah, look for.
You don't know what going on while ago, bro.
Warm.
Bro, me tell her a lie there, bro.
What kind of lie?
Tell her that me pay a woman, bro. That's her mama, bro. I never pay her, she pay for me and choke me, bro, and say if.
Jesus Christ, Tippy.
Davi,
Tippy, what do you mean? Say no PM.
she say, if me not pay her by midnight, she unalive me love off my life, bro.
Tippy, who make you not pay him? How much money you make from your start dial? From your link him?
Make $50 million,
And you
but
couldn't link him and give him 100,000. Tippy.
yo, you want to talk to her for me? You can't do that.
Tippy, I'm serious. What you doing, dog?
No.
Let me show you one pray. Let me show you something where you need to know. You think I know me, no, mama? You think I know me, I mix up in that dance? You know what me afraid for do it, so
I
dog?
don't hear that, though.
Yeah, let me tell you why I'm afraid for do it, so. Tippy, me have one virgin. He said boy them from out the road, dog. You get me and them used to good virgin, you know. I see me see them grow on mama, dog. And start urging everything go to their head. You see them start move corrupt and bad minds, so I cut them off. But what? Them bad mind are fool, cause their name pay mama. That's why them boy out the road, them can't chill and mama set spell upon them and blow up them. You see boy we crash up the reach up last week.
Yeah.
You see, alright, you can't ride nothing crash. Between me and your dog, hear from good information, saying you check mama. The boy must in a PM. And mama appear upon his bike and take his steering wheel and just turn it for dog and turn him over. Yeah. Brother, yo, right now if I watch it on camera, you don't see man ride and you just see bike turn for dog. Nobody know what
So
happened.
what me gonna do, bro? You say,
Timmy, when tell us?
bro, you say by midnight. If we not pay him by midnight, she go unalive me.
So I'm telling you what money we did have.
Bro, you say no one that the money, the fresh money you want.
Oh, cause that film handed money they come from. Yeah, I'll try to chat to him, but he be a frig up dog.
Chat to her for me, please, bro.
Frig up dog, you know, I really like a frig up. So what means you love for your life?
Yeah, bro, that I'm a woman. She a talk, bro.
So alright, post me can chat to him and make him take you instead of that woman.
Bro, right now, told me love me woman, bro. Better than text me, bro. Talk to her, Finny.
You know, most working on that, but alright, I'll try it.
Yeah, bro.
I'll try
Remember,
it,
say you make me know already, bro.
and I'm making the fool in the show.
Mm.
Mama. She be come to me, you know. And what happened?
I won all. I won Tibby. Tibby don't heed the warning. So Tibby will pay.
Mama, I look at you, you know, think, watch out, I don't want to get into it, you know, because I know it's not my business, but you know, you can't give him one chance or give him some extra time or something.
Davi, you are a good boy. Keep out of it. This is above you.
You know that, man, but me I come to you not as, me just I come to you as somebody who respect you a lot. You, look, alright, let me tell you. It's because me introduce him to you and him not be right, but I feel terrible. You know, say him girlfriend when I have nothing to do with this, because she don't know nothing, you know. She always try to tell himself to keep out of this, and she always try to put him to the right, but I feel terrible in myself. She get involved and she have to lose her life because I feel foolishness.
He will learn his lesson. It's his sacrifice. I want all of you. You don't heed. The ancestors are mad.
So you can't give him one chance or something. Why is me give him some of my money? In repay?
No, that is your blessing. He has to find his own and give me my blessings back. I want him.
There's nothing you can do. You can't overlook it at even think. You can't take him into the ever. Just think about just think about it, man. I beg you a favor. Me personally, I beg you.
Davi, you are a good man. For you, if he doesn't pay me my money by midnight, I will spare his girl and I will take his life. But I need a life. The ancestors want blood, and I will give it one way or the other.
Alright. No, we're not there where you can overlook it, not sure.
Overlook what?
Alright.
He has gotten his blessings and he has not thanked the ancestors.
Alright, wait till so.
Midnight.
Yeah, look so that.
Let me stress out, bro.
Alright. I'm going to reason with him, man.
What she say?
Today. If you make a wrong move, dog, I don't tell you no lie.
You know that, bro.
Make
So
a
make a
wrong
wrong
move,
move,
dog.
but wrong move can solve and fix, bro.
Here I go on. It's till midnight, dog, so. Say, you know what do with your girlfriend, because I don't really see. So say until midnight. So if everything not go through you would lose your life and all that.
How me gonna do that, bro?
You know, and a friend who can link to get a piece of money to pay him off at least 100 so they can go and call me like that.
You're active right now, bro.
You know, no friend.
You got 15 million, it changed left out of 15 million in the account, now gonna disappear, bro.
So magic out, dog. Alright, here. So I truly believe and I believe nonetheless, dog. We're there till 9 night, till at least 12 o'clock. We must catch on going. If I even $10 all of them, so they must do it, dog. I know so we can believe. If I do it, you go through. If me do it and make a money, me give you set time, dog. You see me?
True.
So you ready? You can't
Yeah,
work
bro.
so long.
Can't walk, bro. After me, I lose my life.
You take out your phone and dog, and do what you have to do.
You have my phone for me, bro, to have stress.
I'm going to finish it, man.
No, I'm go for finish up. Level 50, you know, bro. We have 10 more minutes, bro.
Yeah,
No, wait, me, bro.
What you have to do?
Bro, nothing go on, bro. What me can do, bro?
Me ask you, what you plan to do, my dog?
Bro, You have to just go home and tell me woman say, I love her and I hit this.
What do you mean say you love him? What do you mean by that? So you give up?
The woman tell me say man give me till 12 o'clock, bro, and I see the 11:51, bro.
So you're 9 minutes to die there, so now a client can send $100 million in a 9 minute dog. How you to give up?
Bro, me go over, bro, and talk to the woman, bro.
Yeah, eat that dog. I say you want to waste the last 9 minutes of your life. I chat to woman before you dial. Once I dial and bucket there, no one pay for woman dog. Bro, and me make you go know him in a dog. And you know if your life end, you know me will feel cut up about it.
Bro, suppose me there start try there, I mean, I mean, nothing, bro. I mean, I get a chance to chat
Yo,
to
that
the
they
woman.
trying.
You know, say a true believer, though, bro. When I did trying, bro, but I want to go over to the woman, bro, go make she know, say, yo, me love her, bro.
Yo, not follow your dog.
Yeah, bro, follow me, bro. If anything, bro, you're there as witness.
Alright.
B,
Hello.
me and Davi come to solve a problem, cause B, right now 5 minutes me have left to live. No, me.
Oh man, tell us I'm me.
No man, you switch around man.
We switch around on me.
I'm gonna talk to you lady right now. And you say a female life more take.
5:55. We have 5 more minutes to live.
11:55.
11:55. Me all nervous, youth.
Oh God, baby, me no want to lose them.
Right
Baby,
now,
me no want
me
to
don't
lose
even know what to do, youth.
Go talk to him. Go talk to him. Me talk to her for you. Me talk to
You
him.
think say that I go work out?
Most like how him talk to him for me. Me
Davi,
talk
you
to
think
him
that I
for
go
you.
work out?
Boy, I don't know, but you better not just sit down and wait to
I
get
know say you
started.
cause all of this stuff.
Because all or nothing.
And you call him in a it.
So you go waste the last 5 minutes to try to put blame on me.
Oh, come on, go check it.
God no dog.
He takes this for a joke. My ancestors, I call on you.
Mama,
Hmm.
Mama.
Huh.
Mama, we come to you man. We are
You have my money. You
No.
have my blessings.
No, you never make your money.
Hey, hey, hey,
Mama, me a bigger chance, mama. Me not having money.
Come and stand before me.
No, a chance me a bigger.
Go on, bro.
I don't talk to my side. Come and stand before me, boy.
A chance, please. Me a bigger chance. Please. Please, mama.
12:01.
Please forgive me, man. Please, me a beg and forgive me. Don't give me, man. Please.
Your man? Little girl, your man knows the price he did not pay.
Pay the money, pay the money.
Me not have it. Mama, please.
I warned you. Abukam. 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 I warned you. Rise, my child. Rise from the fire, my child. My child, rise. Rise. Do your You were warned, my child of the fire. Yes, we have another one to mark. Another one.
Alright, so you have made it to the end of the movie, people. The price of power. Power is a tricky thing. Power cause all heap of thing. Money cause all heap of thing. The drive and the desire to receive them Cause if you lose your mind some of the time. So this movie is just a lesson say, hey, might be on everything you have to play with them. If you don't choose to play with it, make sure so you know so your cost come with it. But yeah, as I say, just comment on your favorite part. Comment if you want to do more stuff like this. Not necessarily this team, but just stuff where I showcase the nitty-gritty of Jamaica. So yo, some real things really are going. But remember to like, remember to subscribe, and watch your previous movies. But until the next time, this is Davi Dan from Davi Dan HD. Active for you.